Howdy, my name is Andrew Hoffman, and I'm defending the Pandinus imperator, more commonly known as the Emperor Scorpion.
Howdy, my name is Charles Palmer, and today I will be defending the Pepsis grossa, or the tarantula hawk, as it is commonly referred to. Our debate topic today is which species would win in a fight, the emperor scorpion or the tarantula hawk.
Emperor Scorpion adults grow to an average of 20 centimeters in length and weigh an average of 30 grams, making it the largest species of scorpion in the world. They have large pincers and are blackish red. Their metasoma, or tail, is long and curves back over their body. Their tail contains a large receptacle which contains venom and ends with a sharp stinger. They reach sexual maturity at the age of 3. When mating, the male holds the female in his grasp until he finds a suitable place to mate. When he finds a place suitable to deposit his sperm, he pulls her on top of it and she accepts it into her. Gestation in females can last anywhere from 7 to 9 months, and they can live birth up to 35 babies at once. The emperor scorpion is nocturnal and lives throughout rainforests and open savannas in Africa. They eat insects, but termites are what make up a large portion of their diet. When they hunt prey, they burrow up to 6 feet in the ground. When they come up and grasp their prey, they use their claws to tear apart their prey and their stinger to inject their prey with venom. The males are very territorial and will fight to the death. Most of their time is spent searching for a female to mate with. Traders commonly sell these scorpions to people who have an interest in exotic pets. There is no control over the sale of these animals, and the trade could cause extinction to the species. They're commonly black, but can range from dark brown to green. They reflect UV rays, causing them to sometimes glow blue. Males are typically smaller and narrower than females.
A tarantula hawk is a type of spider wasp. Despite having hawk in its name, which would lead most to believe it was a bird, being a spider wasp means that they hunt spiders and, more obviously, tarantulas. The common tarantula hawk is around 2 inches long, which is on the larger side for wasps. These wasps feature dark-colored bodies with bright reddish tinted wings. These wasps are found throughout the world in 5 different continents. These wasps are nothing that you want to be stung by, as their stingers are some of the most painful wasp stings in the world. Although I wouldn't worry too much about the possibility of being stung by one, as they are very hesitant to attack. Additionally, you would only have to worry about the females, as they are the only ones that hunt. Generally, males just feed off of trees or plants. The female tarantula hawk also doesn't just kill tarantulas when hunting them. They actually have one of the more unique ways of laying their young. This is due to the tarantula hawks being what is referred to as parasitoid wasps. Essentially, their sting only paralyzes their prey. After this paralyzing, an egg is placed on the prey, which the larva then feeds on. Whether or not the larvae are male or female depends on the fertilization of the eggs. If the egg is fertilized, a female is made, while unfertilized eggs make males. After the larva hatches, it is very unique in the way it feeds on the spider till adulthood. It enters into the spider by creating a little hole in the abdomen. They then first feed on the spider's non-essential organs. This is to not kill the spider. After the wasp becomes an adult, it simply exits the spider and starts its adulthood. In addition to this unique reproduction process, another fun fact about the tarantula hawk is that it is a state insect of New Mexico.
One of the main reasons I believe the emperor scorpion will win in a one-on-one fight is due to its size and attack strategies. The average tarantula hawk is around 2 inches long, while the average emperor scorpion is around 3 or more inches long. As I stated, the emperor scorpion pins down its prey and rips it apart while it simultaneously injects it with venom, causing the animal to liquefy. The tarantula hawk is on the milder side of tarantulas, as it's very hesitant to attack, while the emperor scorpion burrows itself into the ground and waits for its prey. The sting of an emperor scorpion ends the life of its prey immediately, with the combination of venom and ripping of its body. The sting of the tarantula hawk only paralyzes its prey and allows for the larva to feed on its body until they become adults. In other words, the emperor scorpion stings to kill, while the tarantula hawk stings to prepare food for their young.
I think the fact that the tarantula hawk paralyzes its prey will actually help its ability to defeat the emperor scorpion. All it would have to do would be to get that one sting, and the scorpion would likely be done for. I also think size wouldn't matter that much due to the nature of the fight, being a flying creature versus a walking creature. This brings me to my main 2 points on why the tarantula hawk would win the fight. These 2 points are simply the emperor scorpion's similarity to tarantulas and the fact that the tarantula hawk can fly. Emperor scorpions are smaller than the average tarantula, which will make the poison from the sting of the tarantula hawk even more effective. I also think that the fact that the scorpion is confined to the ground will be an issue for it, such as is an issue when the spiders become victims. I don't think the scorpion will be used to having to defend from an aerial attack that it will be put under. With its diet primarily being termites, it won't be as skilled at defending off the tarantula hawk. On the other hand, the tarantula hawk has plenty of experience taking down creatures on the ground and of even bigger size than the emperor scorpion.
Although the tarantula hawk has the advantage when it comes to its ability to fly and maneuver around faster than the emperor scorpion, the exoskeleton of the scorpion is extremely hard and has few weak points. This leaves little room for error in a fight when it comes to the tarantula hawk. With the few defense mechanisms it has, it would only take one sting or stabbing with the pincers to bring it down. Once flight is taken out of the equation, the scorpion has all the advantages of the ground game. Sure, the tarantula hawk preys on larger animals that can't fly, but it's never come in contact with such a fierce competitor with a combination of attack and defense mechanisms that the emperor scorpion has. This is why I think the emperor scorpion would win in a one-on-one fight with the tarantula hawk.
I think that is a good point about how the exoskeleton could help defend the emperor scorpion. I do think, though, that with the size of tarantula hawk's stinger, that it could possibly pierce it enough to be able to penetrate the scorpion, even if only slightly. This small penetration would be enough to severely hurt or paralyze a scorpion. According to the Schmidt Sting Pain Index, the sting of the tarantula hawk is second in pain to only the bullet ant. Additionally, I think that the tarantula hawk will be well prepared to take on the attack methods of the scorpion. Tarantulas are known to take down anything from birds, lizards, and snakes. Although tarantulas aren't usually aggressive, they do become aggressive when in contact with predators such as the tarantula hawk. All these battles with spiders throughout a tarantula hawk's life will prepare it well for battle with a scorpion.
The emperor scorpion has two fantastic methods of attack, whether it be the two huge pincers it uses to crush its prey or the venom it ejects with its stinger. It's easy to see why most animals would do their best to keep out of harm's way. They burrow in the ground and underneath rocks in order to not be seen by their prey and come to the surface to kill them in only seconds. The emperor scorpion can sense predators and prey alike with its sensory hairs located all over its body, which gives it yet another advantage in this fight. It would take a very precise sting in order to break through the exoskeleton and affect the scorpion. With its incredible ability to sense when something is near, I do not think the tarantula hawk would have a force strong enough to do such things. Combining all the emperor scorpion's aggressive predatory skills, along with its exoskeleton and its sensory hairs as defense, I think it would win in a one-on-one fight against the tarantula hawk.
Although the emperor scorpion would certainly put up a good fight, I do believe the tarantula hawk would come out as the victor in the end. This is due to its nature of being able to attack aerially, familiarity with attacking prey on the ground, and its extremely lethal sting. Despite the exoskeleton and skills of its opponent, I do think that its history of being able to take down much larger tarantulas will help to enable it to come out as a victor. I think that this battle would definitely be close and could even end up in being a draw in which the tarantula hawk gave up and flew away, or the emperor scorpion fled to the underground. The tarantula hawk a very important in research in that recent research has revealed that some wasp poisons can be possibly used in cancer treatment. This makes wasps very important to study. These tarantula hawks are also very vital to the southwestern United States desert ecosystem. And that's our debate. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks.